I'm sorry for occitating. All those occitancies are very rude. Um, I should not ocitate while I'm asking you to pay attention. Um, but I'm feeling rather ocitant at this moment because I went out to a party last night and I came home really, really late and I've only slept for an hour. Okay, so ocitant, sleepy, sluggish, ocitate, to yawn. This is to ocitate. Ocitancy, the act of yawning or being drowsy, being very, very sleepy. I'm told that ocitancy is a behavior that is contagious, that if one person starts occitating, then it's very possible that other people begin to ocitate as well. So ocitancy, occitants, occitancies, yawns, lots of yawns. When I start going on in class, I hear the students begin to ocitate, and there are more and more occitancies until everyone is falling asleep. So yeah, there are various types. You could ocitancy while you're pandiculating in the morning, or you're stretching when you're first waking up. Okay, so to ocitate, to yawn, to be really sleepy. It's horrible when occitancy overcomes me while I'm in the middle of class. I have to admit I actually once fell asleep in class. That's not, let's see, if the students fall asleep in class, that's reasonable. But the teacher, no. And I felt such occitancy that I was so occitant that I just couldn't avoid it. It wasn't a long sleep though. Okay, so occitancy, the state of being drowsy. You're inattentive. It's the act of yawning. A group of occitant students, all suffering from occitancy. I personally think that when that classes should have a large coffee machine and everybody should be forced to drink one large cup of coffee from at the beginning of the class. It would certainly reduce occitancy in class. So occitants, occitancy, nouns. Ocitancy, countable and uncountable. Occitants, just the state of being sleepy. This is a formal word, and this is quite unusual. I think a lot of native speakers are not going to know this one. I'm going to give this a 7.5, maybe even an 8. 7.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. I think that's where occitants or occitancy should be used. Yeah, this is when you just can't think because you're so sorry. So sleepy. This is occitancy, yawning, yawn, drowsiness, torpor, lethargy. Yeah, occitation, yawning, somnolence. Yeah, it's just it's impossible to stay awake. So I apologise for my occitancy all through this class. This comes from Latin to occitare, meaning to yawn, to feel sleepy, to be sluggish and listless. Okay, so to ocitate, occitants, occitancy, occitant, occitancies.